when I wake up the next morning, the whole internet is on my neck, right? So if anything, I was the first person getting attacked. Do you understand? Does everybody understand that? Was everybody witness to that, matter of fact? Because I believe in, to my knowledge, to the best of my ability, I remember that I posted my video concerned, very concerned. Even when I spoke to my father, when I spoke to my dad recently, he said that he could see nothing but love in my eyes. To be honest with you guys, that was the first time in my life that I was honestly nervous to put a camera on my face. I was very nervous. I was very scared because what I was hearing in the condition, what I was hearing about the condition that my dad was in, it was honestly very frightening. You get what I'm saying? Because I honestly love my dad to death. So I put out a video with out of concern, right? I wasn't insulting nobody. I woke up the next day, I'm getting insulted. So this is a very false statement. And if we were in court, if we were having a logical battle, this is where we would cut the conversation. This is where we would cut the argument because he doesn't even have his facts right. His facts are finished. You know what I'm saying? He doesn't even like off this, straight off this, like this is where we cut the conversation. This is where the conversation is done, the argument is finished. You know what I'm saying? Exactly. Oh, Murchie's a political failure. That's crazy.
But what I don't agree, social media, it is very wrong. Of course, now I feel Ugandans,
again, I was not pinning my father. You understand what I'm saying? I was not pinning my dad. I was bringing attention. Like I said earlier, I was trying to create a sense of urgency about the circumstance my father was in. Because clearly the people around my dad did not care enough. So I have to be all the way here in the United States and then do what I can, you know what I'm saying, to get the eyes on my dad. Because I don't want everybody to wake up the next morning and they're like, oh, Yeyagudde, what happened to him? And it's a surprise to everybody. You know what I'm saying? As much as it may hurt the country, no one will ever understand how much it will hurt me and my family. And no one is ever going to understand that. You get what I'm saying? You know, the thing is, a lot of people want to confuse themselves and think that they understand and they love my dad more than his own family. You know what I'm saying? Which is honestly crazy. Anyway.
First of all, ali mukulu kwedu ali bayita abanyaga America yenyo abayita abanyaga the black people abo nti bakwinfluencinga ne bakozesa n'abazungu n'oyogera language etali nnungi n'oyogera kati nana by'oluzu.
This is racist. This is racist. This is downright racist. He doesn't even know me. He doesn't know the friends I have. He doesn't know any of my friends. He doesn't know any of my friends. He doesn't know me. I don't even know who he is. Never met him in my life. But somehow he knows what friends I have. Alright, cool. Like...
That's nothing. Bro.
How old am I, guys? Chat, how old am I? How old am I, chat? Is bro not regular vocab for any 19-year-old? Matter of fact, 24 and below. Is bro not normal vocab for any 19-year-old? Correct me if I'm wrong. But all of a sudden, Dimunyaga, because I use bro. This is foolery. This is what it is. This is what this is. This is foolery.
abantu abakozesa ebigambo ebyo baba bali mu society zitali mungi.
Oh. Oh my God. Yo. Wait. So the bad societies, right?